I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model and OS, so you use correct system settings and tools. Once done, back up your data and run a basic color test image to map the issue. Is one color missing, shifted, or overall tinty? Make sure to inspect the screen for cracks or liquid marks because hardware faults change color behavior. If your phone has a display diagnostic menu or developer color mode, enable it now to gather objective clues before changing software or hardware components. You should now address software causes by resetting color profiles and turning off night or blue light filters, because those often shift hue. Next, open the handset's color calibration or install a trusted app to adjust RGB sliders and the white point. Small numeric tweaks can restore skin tones and neutral grays. Once adjusted, clear the display cache and check for an OS or firmware update that targets display drivers. If colors change with app toggles, the problem is likely software and not the panel. If software steps fail, you move to hardware. Power down and inspect the display flex cable and connector for looseness or corrosion because poor contacts create color shifts. Reseat connectors, and if the tint persists or you see permanent discoloration, plan a display assembly replacement, especially for OLED with burn or dead subpixels. After repair, run a full-screen color loop and then test camera white balance and auto brightness to make sure colors match across sensors. If colors still look off,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.